Hi, welcome back to Rorik Knows Podcast, helping you become a better, more informed you. Let's talk about some crazy stuff, and don't do crazy. And there's crazy stuff, especially on TikTok, and some on Instagram. But this is the Wild West on TikTok. I mean, this is the quote-unquote Dr. Kim, and he shows these unbelievable facial transformations with early post-op results. He shows some with longer post-op results. And I don't know who he is, where he is, but I'll show with you and share with you some investigation that a YouTuber did on this Dr. Kim. But it's pretty amazing. He shows these before and after photos that look transformational and somewhat out of this world. And you know, the before and 7 days after, and then you know, there's some amazing YouTubes that just show this transformation early, and actually even show it. Here's this 37-year-old that here she is pre-op, and again it's Dr. Kim, the infamous Dr. Kim, and this is a patient right after surgery, and here she is a few days later, and then here she is even later. I think this is about 30 days post-op, but it's pretty crazy what you see here. So is this real? Is there really a Dr. Kim? And what is he really doing here? It's almost unimaginable. He's taking apart the face. He's making their nose small, their cheeks smaller. And is this really even possible to do this safely? I don't know. It just sounds and looks really kind of a little outrageous. And so you see this and it's almost unbelievable. So there's a YouTuber who's named Tuv, who investigated this whole TikTok account. And he found some fascinating things. And he found that there was accounts that were similar background, one named Dr. Sam and one named Dr. Ling Gan, and these were all different accounts, but they all linked to Dr. Kim. And then there was also a WhatsApp account that also linked to another person that had the same username as Dr. Kim, and it goes on and on. And so what he found was that this Dr. Kim, you know, may or may not be a reality, or maybe somebody completely different. And so what it is that it looks like it's surgeons that use multiple TikTok accounts under different names, and they just use Dr. Kim, and then they funnel these patients to someone in China. So it's just too crazy. It's too crazy. So, you know, several things. Don't do crazy stuff. If it looks too good to be true, it's probably not, and it really does look really almost unsafe. So just know before you go. And then my good friend, Dr. Jung, Tony Jung, actually, who's an amazing plastic surgeon, investigated this Turkish plastic surgeon who posted these incredible pre and post-ops and of a patient, a pre and a post-op facelift, and it really apparently was bogus. And the site's been taken down, and a similar thing happened. It's a different type of patient, a different type of Instagram account that was removed, and then there was another Instagram account that showed similar type of results, and again it was removed. And so all these things look very, very fake. So know before you go, and don't be harnessed into crazy things like this, because they can be dangerous. And as Tony mentions, you know before you go. And apparently this Turkish doctor used fake photos, and of course there's a lawsuit filed against him, and it goes on and on. So whether it's Dr. Kim or this Turkish doctor that showed these fake photos, you know, it's outrageous what you see on social media today, especially on TikTok. It's almost unbelievable. And so when you see these things, you go, wow. And you should say, wow, I'm never going to do that. That's why, know before you go. Find a Royal Board Certified Plastic Surgeon that's going to give you realistic results and with realistic outcomes that are safe and reproducible. So give me your thoughts and comments about these unbelievable TikTok accounts. And till next time, stay safe and stay wise.